Great seeing you here again, and now we're going to look at the conclusion of what we did before. We're going to have a look at the project cost baseline and the S-curve, which will be basically the information that we will be using when we will be evaluating the spending during the project execution. So the project cost baseline, we look at the schedule and the cost baseline, we look at the periodic cost baseline, and we look at the cumulative cost baseline and the S-curve. So let's start with creating the schedule and the cost baseline. We start from the critical path method. We found two extreme scheduling positions, the early start and the late start, and we calculated the respective cost curves for both positions. The final schedule is then determined based on resource assignments and resolving issues, reducing slack, optimizing cash flow, and other issues that may be important in your or for your project. The result is the schedule baseline, and deducted from that, we have the cost baseline. Based on this information, we can represent the periodic and the cumulative budget. Based on the tables, we can find the periodic cost baseline. When you take the Excel file, you can calculate this. You see that in this case, we have the maximum, let's say, around period 8 and less spending to the end. It depends for your project. It's always nice to see how does this look like for your project periodically. Of course, we also calculated the cumulative cost baseline, which we also call the S-curve, and with some imagination, we may say that this is an S-curve. When we have more complex projects or complete projects, this will look basically differently. This is just an example, a simple example, and of course we will apply that later on more complete and complex projects. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next videos. Thank you and bye bye.